Seeing SOS only or no service on your Spectrum mobile phone means you can only make emergency calls or have no cellular connection at all. This usually happens due to network outages, SIM card problems, or coverage issues. First, check Spectrum Mobile's status page at mobile.spectrum.com/status for any reported outages in your area. Then, try these quick fixes. Restart your device, toggle airplane mode on and off, and ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. If these don't work, the Spectrum mobile app now has a built-in network check tool to diagnose problems in real time. These initial steps resolve most common issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, the problem might be a defective SIM card. Spectrum Mobile had a SIM card recall in early 2025, so if you haven't already, check if your SIM is affected. Contact Spectrum's 24/7 support for assistance or a replacement. Looking ahead, Spectrum is working on enhancing network resilience using AI to predict and prevent outages, potentially eliminating SOS mode in underserved areas through satellite integration by 2026-2027. Also ensure you keep your device software updated, as older firmware can cause issues.